But this is what we do over here at Easy Rebuilds. We help out the people we know. Now, if I don't know you, never met you before, never worked with you, you don't live in my neighborhood, then don't be messaging me to come work on your car. You'll come to my house because that's a no-no. This is not a place of business. This is just my hobby. Oh shit, what's up y'all? Welcome back to Easy's Rebuilds, and I'm Easy E. Today I'm working on a 2013 Nissan Rogue, little girly car, driven by my number 2 hater over there. The guy that made that diss video on TikTok about me because I wouldn't do his blower motor in the wintertime, and now we're getting it done today for the free 99 because I help out the needy all the time. Y'all know, like my number 1 hater, Rich next door, I'm always helping him out. He said he help all us out, but let's go take a look around this dirty South Nissan Rogue. Here's the 2013 Nissan Rogue, doing the blower motor and resistor replacement. Got a blower motor and the resistor from Amazon.com. It's not that hard. These are not that hard to replace. It's an awkward spot to get to. And see, he's been riding around with a little heater in here. Like I said before, this is the guy that made the TikTok diss video with the bonnet on, with the fake dreads and the glue to the bonnet. Putting the middle finger up to my Easy's Rebuilds truck because I couldn't do his blower motor because it was winter time. But we're getting it done today. And this car is a mess because he smoked. Used his car as an ashtray. It's just nasty. I told him to clean his car out before he even brought it over here because I'm not charging him nothing. I'm just doing it out of the kindness of my heart because we work together. Consider him another brother from another mother. You know, I got plenty of those. Everybody want to be my brother, especially when you work on cars as your hobby and you know what you're doing. So I'm going to walk y'all through this on what you got to remove to get to your blower motor. Because there's the blower motor. You got to remove the gas pedal, brake pedal assembly. But first, you got to remove your plastic panel up here. There's one screw in there, and you pop it off. But you got to get your hood release cable off and your ODB cable off of that piece of plastic that's right here. And once you got all that off, then you got your kick plate, which got 4 10mm screws in it. Then you get that off. Then you got another plate that's usually over here. It's right here. That has 2 10mm nuts on them that you want to get off. Then once you got that off, you can go to unplugging your gas pedal, brake pedal assembly, because it is a drive-by-wire. And on your brake pedal, yeah, you can see up in there right here, you do have a pin that goes through there. It's right here. You see there's a hole in there because it's a counter pin on there. Remove the counter pin, squeeze these tabs back, and push that pin out of the brake pedal to get it off that mount. Right, then you got to unplug those 3 plugs right there. Then you got 4 13mm nuts that you must remove. So you got 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let me get a light. Where's my light? So you guys can see if y'all can't see that. Right, you got 1, 2, 3, and 4 up there somewhere. And all the way back up in there. Now I can't see. Get y'all up in there. Yeah, I can see is where your blower motor would be. The resistor is off to the side over there. We already got that out. Way up in there, where your blower motor is at. Like I said, here's the new resistor. Here's the old resistor. Old blower motor. And there's a screw on there that you gotta take off. 2 screws on the resistor you gotta take off. All you do is turn it counterclockwise to unlock it. And she'll pop on out. And just fish her out. But first you gotta get that plug up, lift the plug up, and hit the release to unplug it. And this is one of those videos where I can't really shoot no footage because I can't get y'all up in there. I don't even know how I would try to get y'all up in there because obviously you gotta go all the way up in there like I showed you and into that corner. So I'll do a couple of time lapses and I get back with y'all. But before we get all that, look at these tires. They dry rotted and bald. I'm telling you, when you're helping out your number 2 hater. Ooh, look. This guy goddamn fool right here. That's why you gotta help out the needy. Cause they don't know no better. This one of the people that just drive this car till the wheels fall off. Look at that windshield wiper. See, that's what I'm talking about. Just drive it till the wheels fall off. But let me get back to work.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight, don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase, so catch me if I fall. Praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling.
So, damn, I keep on saying one word. Here we go. We got the blower motor in, the resistor in. We got the gas brake pedal assembly back in, all plugged up. With, like, say, that pin I was talking about. That goes in there. And the counter pin to lock it in place. And this plate right here that I was talking about. I forgot to tell you, you got to take this little duct off that blows on your feet. So you got to pull that on off. You got tabs on there, pop back in. Now I just got to get the kick plate back on, which is for 10 millimeters. A lot of stuff is 10 millimeters, except for that hex, that screw that go right there, which I do believe it's a T20. So you have a T20 you got to take off just to get that plastic molding off. T20 go right here. I got to get all that put back together. Kick plate go right up here. So you got little tabs to help hold it. So I pretty much do this with one hand. Get these ones started. I said it's only 410 millimeters. I can't see this side. Here we go. Guess I use this because it's already got a 10 on there. That's what I use to get that one plate off that curves and go up, because the other nut is way up there, and you're gonna need a swivel. So I got this with a swivel on it. Now I just gotta, and it's the old resistor. Now I just gotta install this little black piece. And we'll be right back.
Let's go. Yeah. I'm like an addict, ooh, I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it. Fuse like a magnet, lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay.
This is a 2013. I don't think that car he's going to look at was a 2008 Tahoe with only like 95,000 miles on it. Yeah, I'll take a look at it. But yeah, Rich, you know how he is over here. You know how I used to get down on Saturdays when the whole crew come over and we work on cars. That's how it is this Saturday. Wasn't planning on making a video. But let me make a video. Because like I said before, this is the guy that dissed me in his TikTok. I posted it on my Facebook page, Easy's Rebuilds. All over a blower motor. So I got everything back buttoned up. I can't test it because obviously this guy likes to take his keys with him. It's nasty. Like, you can't even see the freaking buttons. And I told this guy to clean it out. Look, see, they got that Easy's, they go the wig he wore. In his TikTok video, got the dreads with the bonnet. I'm telling you, he want to be me so bad. He want to be Easy's Rebuild so bad. They went and got him a bonnet and glued some dreads to the inside of it. But like I said, I got all that all buttoned up. She's good to go. Until I can't test it until he get back. But he got some damage back here. He got hit in the back. He probably got some little frame damage because he got a kink right here. The bumper don't line up no more. The taillight is busted. Yep, the gap on this side is way out. Get in there, put my finger in it. This whole gap over here. Over here is nice. I can't really get my finger into it. So something is tweaked on this side. Like I said, damn near all his tires bald. But this is what we do over here at Easy Rebuilds. We help out the people we know. Now, if I don't know you, never met you before, never worked with you, you don't live in my neighborhood, then don't be message me to come work on your car. You'll come to my house because that's a no-no. This is not a place of business. This is just my hobby. And we're not giving people our address where we live at. So what, y'all come over here and kill us and rob us? We don't know what your intent is. What we know is you want our address because you're talking about come work on you want to bring your car to our house so we can work on it. And this is not a place of business. So please, do not ask us for our address so y'all can come to our house where we live, where we sleep, where I got my kids and my grandkids, and work on your car, and you're a complete stranger. We don't do that over here at Easy's Rebuilds. Now, if we know you, we work with you, you one of our neighbors, we'll work on your car. Some simple stuff, but don't be trying to come sue us if something messed up on your car, because we're not professional mechanics. I said it before when I first started my YouTube channel. We just DIYers. We keep all our cars maintained ourselves. You don't need to go to the shop 24/7. We just do it ourselves over here at Easy's Rebuilds. And I just did my other brother from another mother's Nissan Rogue with some simple blower motor and resistor. Blower motor went out a year ago. So I told him to get the resistor and the blower motor, which he gave me the money for, and I ordered from Amazon. And it came to my house a week ago. And now he's coming over here for me to get it done. And it's done. But he left with my other brother with another mother, because we got to go to Chicago and go look at some cars, I guess, that my brother from my other mother wanted to drive, Speed Racer, because I can't finish his Monte Carlo until he get a second vehicle, because all the work he want done to it. But for all that, y'all know what it is. So if y'all like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't like this video, still give me a thumbs up. Let me know how we did in this short video, helping out another brother from another mother, helping out the needy. You know what I'm talking about? That's how we get down over here. Share this video with your friends, family, and co-workers, if you would. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to Easy's Rebuilds. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I release a new video. Go follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Not TikTok, though. Just Facebook and Instagram. We have merch at teespring.com, not like this. We take Cash App donations, and we take donations to the cars. With all that said, stay tuned and stay blessed, people. Deuces!